and welcome to my today's video. So as you can see from the title and intro, today I am going to make a denim skirt from a denim pant. But before that, I have done some DIYs in the past, so you can check it out if you want to. And now let's get started with the video. So first you need to take the jeans of any color which you want or which you are going to use for the DIY, and then there will be a fat little section at the bottom of the jeans, exactly at the bottom. So that is what you need to cut off with the scissors. So you can also go on directly and cut the pants as you usually do, or you can do this method which I am showing you guys here. So once you cut off that section, you can easily tear apart the entire pants. As I said, you can also cut it directly with your scissors, but somehow this was more satisfying to do. So yeah, you can also do this method. So I'm done with one section of the pant and this is how it looks, and similarly you have to do it with the other pant half as well. I am following the same method, and once you are done with both the sides of the pant, this is how it will turn into. So this is what you will get, and I have not yet cut the upper area of the pant. So once done, this is how again it will look. So now I'm going to measure myself, because now I'm going to cut the skirt according to the length I want to. You can choose any length you want, but I have many short skirts, so I wanted this to be a little bit more longer. Then I'm placing my measurements on the pant, and then I'm going to mark it, and then I'm going to cut it off using scissors. Obviously. Also, thanks to my mom for helping me out in this entire DIY. So as you guys can see, I have not marked the length, but you guys can mark it out before cutting it, because that would be more helpful. So I am doing it with both the sections of the pant area, and once you are done cutting it off, you will have something which looks like this. So the outline of my skirt is ready. I have overlapped one over the other, so you cannot see the one which is beneath. So this is what you'll get. So the trick here is that I think you need to use some kind of baggy jeans, because I'm not sure if you can make this skirt with any particular skinny jeans. Maybe you can, but I cannot assure that. I have used the jeans of my father. So next what you need to do is cut off the seam area which is at the bottom section of the pant, because we use the bottom section of the pant. I wanted the shredded look, hence I did this, but if you want a more finished look, then you can sew the entire bottom area. So you have your entire outline of the skirt. So the final thing which you need to do is sewing it all together. So here I am using this stapler sewing machine, so I'm going to be using this. The link of it will be down below in the description box, and if you guys also want a detailed video on how it works, then I can make that one too. Just comment it down below and I'll make it for you guys. So I used the stapler sewing machine and I stitched all the sides which needed to be stitched together, and I also put an elastic in the waist area, which I forgot to show, hey, but here is the final product. All for today's video. I really hope that you guys found this helpful, so that you can recreate it yourself. Also leave a comment down below, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if you want me to do more DIYs like this, and I will definitely do it for you guys. And also comment down below if you want a tutorial on that stapler sewing machine. I can do that as well. And you guys can follow me on my Instagram so as to see more fashion content. If you want to, you don't have to, but you can. I post 2 times a week on Mondays and Fridays, and I hope we will meet each other again. So till then, bye bye.